So this is a 2023 Toyota Crown. I'm going to show you how we set the main light. You can start the car. I don't think you really have to, but I just do it anyway. So basically you can use these here: reverse, up, down, left, right, and enter. But now, see how it's a main light on? So you can do push back. Once you get to this area, you see how it's a 3, 2, whatever. So what you do is you want to go to number 1, okay? When you get to number 1, what you can do is push OK. Don't hold it down, okay? Just push OK. I'm just going to show you. See it? If you hold down the OK, look what happened. I'm going to hold it down. See? It go to a different screen. Okay? So, let me go back. Just push. Okay. See it? See the difference? So anyway, so now you can go down. And hold down OK. You go down. Push OK. Go up. Push OK. And that's it. Now you just want to go back. That's all to it. And if you have a problem that you can't get into this area, let me show you some. So example, if you're trying to reset the mason light, you know how you push back. Then you go to number 1 here and try push enter. You see how enter don't work? See, it won't go into the other setting. The reason why is because you at this certain setting. So what you can do is hold down the enter. Once you get to this area, you move it back up to where it says setting, and you leave it right there. And once you go back to normal, you push back. Then you can go to number 1. And if you hold it down, so basically, you try again. There. So you have to leave it on setting to get to this area. If you don't, it will not work. So that's it.